Yo, what's up, everybody? It's your main man here, DJ Runner Mechanic here, back with another video. Hey, check it out, check it out. You see, we got a box sitting in front of us. That's right. Look, y'all see where it come from. Yes, sir, PRV Audio. That's right, we got a delivery here. Time to do a little unboxing. Let's see what we got. Yes, sir. Hey, if you haven't checked out my last video with the 6.5 mid bass that I installed on my car doors, hey, go check it out. Hey, I'm telling you right now, I'm loving those, man. Oh my gosh, I'm loving those mid bass speakers, man. Yes, indeed. So now, let's see what we got right here in the box. Yeah. Let's see. All right. Got some old bubble wrap up in here. As usual, pretty much with every PRV order, they give you a 10% off coupon code for your next purchase. So that's pretty good. And of course, on the back of it, you know, they just give you a little sample of what they sell. You see that? They even got their own subs now. You got the 6.5, the 8, 10, and 12s. And of course, amplifiers. And y'all already know about their mid bass and everything. So make sure y'all go check that out there. That's right. Let's see here, get all this out the way. Yeah, sir, y'all see it. Got me another PRV audio lanyard. Y'all already know it. So, oh man, check it out. We got the slim design tweeters right here. Yes, indeed. See, these are 4 ohms. Got the capacitor included. Okay, 120 watts. Okay, there's the model number right there. And these are the super tweeters. Let's check out the back. What we got back here? 1-inch voice cord, normal power handling 60 watts, continuous program power, RMS 120, maximum peak 240, 104 dB sensitivity. Wow, look at that. You can even buy a replacement voice cord for these too. That's pretty good. I'll tell you one thing. I don't know about slim, boy, but I tell you, they got some weight to them. I can tell you that by this box. Yes, indeed. Let's set that off to the side. Let's check out this other box. Oh. Oh, man. As you can see, we got a bigger box right here. Check it out. Oh, yeah, y'all see that, don't you? We got the 6x9s. Yeah, man. Oh my gosh. Shall we get this up out of here? Yeah, buddy. So here we go. These are the 6x9s. Let's find the model number right here. Here we go. Here it is right there. That's your model number. These are 6x9 mid-range bullet loudspeakers. What they say, built to perform. There go the specifications. 1.5-inch voice cord, normal power handling, 250 watts, continuous program power, 500, max peak power 1,000, sensitivity 96. You know these gonna be loud, and 4 ohm impedance. Yeah, and I can tell you, yeah, but this box a little heavy. Woo, man. All right. So y'all see what we're working with. We got the 6x9s and we got the tweets. Boy, I'm telling you, it's gonna be loud up in that car. Yes, indeed. Let's open up the 6x9 first. Man, let me see. How this box open? Did it open this way? Oh, okay. Opens that way. My bad. Let's check it out. All right. See, we got another PRV sticker. Yes. And of course, a little memo here saying welcome to the PRV audio family. Of course, get that with all your speaker orders. See what this big boy look like. Ooh, wait. Let's see here. All right. Check it out. Go ahead and take it out this plastic. Okay, got a little tape on it. Look at this 6x9 right here. Yes, indeed, man. Okay. Check out the nice little tinsel leads on this bad boy here. Not bad, not bad. Of course, you know, this your positive, that's your negative. This the back right here. That's a nice size magnet there on a 6x9. Not bad, not bad at all. Like I said, she got a little weight to her. No doubt about it. Yes. This must be, what is it, someone like a paper cone or something? Think so. I'm gonna check it out though. But yeah. Yeah, buddy, this bad boy ought to sound nice in that back, boy. Ooh, wee. Boy, look, I can't wait to put some power on these here. Yes, sir. Nice looking 6x9 there. I tell you one thing, that's a humongous upgrade compared to some of them factory 6x9s with a magnet about this round, look like about the size of a quarter in some cars. I'm like, come on now, you ought to be ashamed of yourself. You charging people all that money for them factory speakers, man. Come on, you might as well just don't put nothing in mine, because I'm gonna replace it anyway. All right. Go ahead and put that back. All that in there. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at these tweeters. Get y'all up a little close there. Like I said, with every PRV order, like I said, you get a sticker. Of course, you get that little memo right there telling you welcome again. Ooh, these some nice looking tweeters, man. Check that out, y'all. Ooh, wee. See if I can get this out the box here. Okay. Look. Even come with some mountain screws. Okay. The tweeter itself. Check it out. Oh yeah, a big magnet on the back right there. Ooh, 120. 4 ohm. And there's the capacitor right there. Yeah, man. I like this. Now that should make your mountain a whole lot easier. Cause look, it's not that deep. Yeah, that's your model number right there. Yeah, buddy. And y'all know I can't wait to put some power on these here to hear how they sound. Ooh, wee, boy. I can't wait. Yes, sir. Gonna put this back. Yeah. Let's see here. Set that in, I think like that. Yeah, buddy, this is gonna be nice. Look, I ain't even put the sticker back in now. Keeping all that together. So I'm gonna do pretty much tackle that all at the same time. So there we go, y'all. So that right there is going on the rear. If y'all see my install already in my car, y'all notice I do have some super tweeters in the back and 6x9. So this right here is going to replace all that back there. Yes, this is going to be the rear field here. So yeah, with that, most likely, yeah, I'm gonna have to take that whole board out. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take the whole board out just to give me room just to mount those and wire them up and everything. I mean, I could install them while the board is mounted in the car already, but you gotta look at it. You know, your back glass got that little dip, and it's best to have you some room to work with. So I'm definitely gonna just take everything out the back end where I can have some room to get up in the trunk and unbolt it from the bottom part and take that board out and make it easy for me to wire these up. Yeah, buddy, boy, I'm excited now, boy. Yes. Dog, if you know what, I should have, oh man, now I'm just thinking about it. I should have ordered the grills for these. Oh, that'd have been nice. I got to do that, y'all. Yeah, I got to get the grills for these, for sure. Or either I might make some to cover it up. Who knows? We'll get to that. But yeah, so now all I'm waiting for is I'm waiting on 2 more sets of tweeters to come. So all together, this is what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have a total of 6 super tweeters, 4 6.5 mid base, and 2 6x9 mids in the rear. That's what I'm gonna have. I'm gonna have all that running on 2 1200.4s. Is gonna take care of the doors and the rear. Yes. So oh yeah, she gonna have a nice little bit of volume to it. I tell you that. Yes, indeed. So y'all look, y'all stay tuned now for that build there, so we can get all that together. So yeah. Good thing about it, I don't have to rebuild the board at all. So it's already set up. So that's it pretty much. But like I said, stay tuned. Keep that notification bell on. It's about to go down. Boy, that PRV build is coming together. So yeah, matter of fact, let me backtrack right quick. What all that I have. So once the other two sets, like I said, come in, so all together I'm gonna have 6 super tweeters, 2 6x9s, 4 6.5-inch mid bass, 2 1200.4s, 1 3200 bass amplifier, and I have the 2 12s already. So yeah, that's gonna be my whole PRV audio build once it's done. Man, that's gonna be nice, y'all. Yes, that's gonna be real nice. That's right. So that's right. Look, y'all, like I said, stay tuned, stay tuned. Oh yeah. Of course, once I get these installed, you already know I'm gonna give you a sound demo of these here. That's right. So, hey, I'm gonna go ahead and put these up because I'm gonna wait for my other set to come in, so that way I can do everything at the same time. So, yeah, it's coming along. So, all right, y'all, this DJ Ron the Mechanic here. Hey, look, make sure you like, share, comment, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell, y'all. That's right. And hit that like button. That's right. Share your boy out. So, that's right. I'm excited, y'all. I'm excited. So, hey, look, I'm going to catch y'all out on the next one. Like I said, stay tuned. Stay tuned.